Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to fix Google Chrome certificate transparency errors. Step by step. If you see messages like certificate transparency required or NetEar certificate transparency required, it usually means Chrome does not trust the website's security certificate. First, check your system date and time. Incorrect date or time can cause certificate errors. On Windows or Mac, make sure automatic date and time settings are enabled. After adjusting, restart Chrome and try the website again. Next, clear Chrome's SSL state. Open Chrome, go to Settings, then Privacy and Security, click Security, and select Clear SSL state. On Windows, you can also search for Internet options. Open the Content tab and click Clear SSL state. Now update Chrome. Type chrome://settings/help in the address bar and press Enter. Installing updates ensures Chrome recognizes the latest certificates. If the error occurs on a specific website, try opening it in incognito mode. If it works there, the problem is likely caused by extensions. Go to chrome://extensions and disable unnecessary extensions. Restart Chrome and enable them one by one to find the culprit. Another possible cause is antivirus or firewall software that intercepts SSL connections. Temporarily disable HTTPS scanning in your security tool and test the site again. For website owners, ensure the SSL certificate is valid, properly installed, and logged in certificate transparency logs. For users, never bypass certificate warnings on sensitive websites like banking or payments. And that's it. By checking date and time, clearing SSL state, updating Chrome, managing extensions, and reviewing antivirus settings, you can fix Chrome certificate transparency errors safely. If this guide helped you, like the video, share it, and subscribe for more step-by-step Chrome troubleshooting tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Hey everyone, in this video,